Welcome back all of you. Today we are going to discuss about place values in Hindu-Arabic numeral system. Look at the pictures given here. There are some children standing in a queue. In this queue, each child has their own position and each position has its own importance. Means the child who's standing in first will be given the first chance and the child standing in second will be given the second chance and so on. Same way, we have in numbers also, each digit has its own position and importance called place values. So what is meant by place value? In this video, we will discuss about place values and places. Before start discussing about place values, we will discuss about places in Hindu-Arabic numeral system. In this number, the rightmost digit has least place value and the leftmost digit has highest place value. Look at the second number. Here 5 has the least place value and the leftmost digit 4 has the highest place value. Now we will learn about place value chart. A place value chart is a table which shows or which displays all the places in a well arranged order. There are two types of place value chart. First one is Indian system. Second one is place value chart for international system. The given table shows Indian place value chart. As I said earlier, the rightmost digit has the lowest place value. So, here the places starts from the right. So first place is ones, second tens, then hundreds, 1,000s, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, etc. So this row shows places in words. The given row, given line shows places in figure or in symbol or using numerals. What is meant by numerals? Already I have said in the previous video, so please have a look at it. And the first row shows the periods. So what is meant by periods? I will explain it later. This is International Place Value Chart. Similar to Indian Place Value Chart, places start from the right and the first place is ones, then tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. Then one difference is there from the Indian place value. There is 100,000 also. Next is 1 million, 10 million, and there is no lakh here. 100 million, then 1 billion, 10 billion, etc. So the second row shows places in words and the last row shows places in figures or using numerals. And the first row shows periods. We will see one example. A number 9 is given here, where we will write number in place value chart. It has only one digit. So, we will write one digit number in ones place. Similarly, here we have number 8 and is given in words. You know how to write 8 in figure. So 8 is also single digit number. So it comes in ones place. Another number is a two digit number 28. How can we write this? The rightmost digit will go to ones place and the second digit will go to next place, that is tens place. We will learn more about it through some examples. Here are some pencils given. How can we write the number of pencils in place value chart? We will start counting from first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How can we say the next number? How many symbols are there in Hindu Arabic numerals? Only 9? No. There is one more symbol, 0. But since it has no value, we can't use 0 to count as a single digit. But when it joins with other digit, it has value. So, for the next number, we will join 0 and 1. We will get 1, 0, that is 10. So we will group together all the 10 pencils and it becomes one group of 10 pencils or 110, and that one we will write in tens place. And the remaining, how many we have? 2 pencils. That 2 we will write in ones place. Let's see another example. Here I have some grams. So how can I write the number of grams in the place value chart? I need to start counting. Here I have more than 10 gram. So I need to start grouping. Then I made tens groups and I got like this. So here, how many tens groups are there? There are 11 groups of 10, that is 11 tens and 2. But this way of grouping is wrong because here tens groups exceeds 9. So I have to make 10 tens into next place, that is 100. So it will become like this. One group of 100 and one group of tens and the remaining 2 ones. So I can write this in the place value chart as 100, 110 and 2 ones. So it becomes 112. So when we count any object, if we have the numbers from 1 to 9, then we write in ones place, and when it exceeds 9, then 10 ones will become 110. Same way, 10 tens will become 100, and 10 hundred will become 1000, and so on. So, one digit numbers, that is 1 to 9, will have only ones place, and two digit numbers, that is 10 to 99, will have two places, that is ones place and tens place. Same way, three digit numbers, means 100 to 999, will have three places up to 100, ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Same way, four digit numbers, that is 1000 to 9999, will have four places, that is ones place, tens place, hundreds place and 1000s place. Same way, five digit numbers will have five places, that is up to 10,000s. So same way, six digit numbers will have places up to 1 lakh. Seven digit numbers will have up to 10 lakhs. Eight digit numbers will have places up to 1 crore. Then 9 digit numbers will have places up to 10 crore. And if any place is missing, then we have to write there 0. For example, in our previous case, if tens group is missing here, then we have to write in tens place as 0. Then it will become 102. Now we will see how can we write the given number in place value chart. Here 9 will go to ones place, 8 will go to tens place and 7 in hundreds place. So the number is 789. Now how can we write the same number in international place value chart? 9 goes to ones place, 8 tens place, 7 in hundreds place. So it is same as in the Indian place value chart, 789. Here 5 goes to ones place, 4 to tens place, 3 in hundreds place and 4 in 1000s place. As I said earlier, first row in the place value chart shows periods. So in Indian place value system, we have ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. So first three places together, that is ones, tens and hundreds, is known as ones period. Next two places together is known as thousands period. And then next two places is known as lakhs period. Next is crores. So we need to separate each period using comma when we write a number. So here we must put a comma after 4. So the number is 4,345. So when we put comma after each period, it is easy to read the number and we can understand the number easily. So here we need to put a comma after 4. So in international place value chart, this number we can write as 5 in ones place, 4 in tens place, 3 in hundreds place and 4 in 1000s place. And we read the number as 4,345. So here we have another number. How can we read the number? 5 ones, 3 tens, 4 hundreds, 3 thousands, 4 10,000s, 2 lakhs and 3 10 lakhs. So this is 32 lakhs, 43 thousands, 400s and 35. So how can we separate periods here? After first 3 places, put one comma, then next 2 places, we have to put another comma. Here, the same number in international place value system. 5 will go to ones place, 3 in tens place, 4 in hundreds place, 3 in 1000s place, 4 in 10,000s place, 2 in 100,000s place and finally 3 in 1 millions place. So the number is 3,243,435. Then use comma to separate periods. So after first 3 places, we need to put a comma. Then next 3 places, again one more comma. Now, when the number is given in words, how can we write this in figures? Here the number is 1050. So there is no ones. So 0. 50 means 5 tens. So 5 in tens place. There is no 100. So 0. Then we have 1000. The same number in international place value system. 1000, 0 100, 5 tens and 0 ones. So the number is 1050 or 1050. Next number is 10,350. Here we have 10 lakh. So in lakhs place, 10 lakhs place 1. Lakhs place 0. Then in 10,000s place 0. In 1000s place 0. And we have 300. Then 5 tens. Then 0 ones. Now we will see how to convert a number from Indian system to international system.